Yes, Mom. How are you? Hey, where are you? I've been calling you so many times since morning. Why were you not answering my call? Actually, Mom, mother-in-law had a headache, so just I was giving her a massage. Why were you giving her oil massage? You should have given her a medicine if she was having a headache. Mom, she's already on medicine. I thought she will feel better after head massage. I don't know when you will listen to me. Hey, you're doing so much work there like a maid. If you will do so much work from now, you will regret. Hey mom, you're getting worried unnecessarily. There is nothing like that. And if mother in law will work now, she won't feel good. Yes, you're newly married, na? That's why you're not liking it. After some time, when she will show you her true colors, then you will come to know. Mom, there is nothing like that. In fact, she tells me herself, why are you doing so much work? Look, Ria, it's been few days you went to your in-laws. That's why I'm telling you. If you will behave so innocent, it will be so difficult for you. From now only, keep everybody under your control. Okay, Mom.
Ria, what is this?
Actually,
If you did it, then how did it get washed?
they became wet.
It's wet. Didn't you check it?
No. I mean, yes, I checked.
If you did it, then how did it get washed? You washed 500 rupees last week as well. And this time 5000 rupees?
Maybe I did this by mistake.
By mistake? This is your daily work. You call it a mistake? It's just one work, you can't do it properly.
Hey, what happened? Why are you shouting on her?
Look, mom, she washed the money with my pant.
So what if she washed them? She has not done this intentionally?
Mom, it was 5000 rupees. Couldn't she have checked it?
It's not your mistake only. When you change your clothes, why don't you check your pockets?
Okay, now this is also my work.
So she has taken all the responsibility of work. She does all the household work.
Mom, you are saying it to me.
You should be slapped for what you have done. It's good that I'm scolding you only. In this, how are you talking to daughter-in-law, huh?
Mom, it was 5000 rupees.
Okay, fine. You take your 5000 rupees from me. But next time, no need to talk to daughter-in-law like this in front of me. And daughter-in-law, you. No need to listen to him like this. Whatever he says to you, come and tell that to me. Now, why are you standing here? Apologize to her. She is doing all your household chores and you're shouting on her. You also do mistakes in your office or some work. She also must have forgotten.
I'm sorry. I spoke a little too much.
Daughter-in-law, you come with me. This idiot has no value of wife. I will make him understand so well. You come with me. Look, daughter-in-law, no need to be upset because of him. Hey, he's like this only. He's completely on his father. On every small thing he starts shouting. I will fix this boy. But if he will say anything to you, na, come and tell me. Hey, I'm not only his mother, I'm your mother as well. Thank you, mother-in-law. Why you're saying thank you? You also take care of me like my daughter, na? So can't I become your mother?